high-quality driving program designed to equip agencies with unparalleled tactical driving expertise and vehicle recovery techniques essential for high-pressure operations. Vehicle-related incidents remain a primary cause of injuries and fatalities among military and tactical teams. Our program focuses on immersive driving practice, situational analysis, and dynamic problem solving to minimize risks and enhance operational outcomes. From mastering vehicle recovery and high-speed towing to advanced off-road techniques and night driving, we combine proven methods with cutting-edge strategies to deliver a modern, efficient, and safety-oriented training experience. Our structured curriculum includes Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3 training, as well as specialized workshops that dive deep into mission-critical skills, ensuring comprehensive preparation for any environment. Ongoing practice in tactical driving is crucial to reducing risks and ensuring mission success. Join the Chaos Tactical Mobility driving program to master the capabilities needed to excel in any terrain, enhancing mission safety and operational readiness.